Boom! What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy T. Back again today with another beater box, man. Today I have the most expensive box that I believe that I've ever caught from Supremacy. There's a lot of boxes I get that I don't film, but I believe this is the most expensive box, man. This box ran me $2,000 shipped to the house. Excited about it. Haven't had one this expensive from this company ever. Like I said, my most expensive box. I've had $2,000 boxes before come from another company, and I didn't do a video for it like sometime last year, and that's where I got like Vapor Max, off-whites and stuff like that you might see on my Instagram page. But yeah, this box right here, like I said, $2,000 from Soul Supremacy out in Cali. If you're new to the channel, man, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. I'm excited, man. When Soul Supremacy do a beater box, they do it right. You know what I mean? No shade to the other company I had got it from, but you know, Soul Supremacy are the goats when it comes to mystery boxes, in my opinion. So we're gonna see what we got. $2,000, man. And I told you guys it don't matter to me what the box costs. Whatever's in my cart at that time is what I buy. I don't care if it's a $2, $200, $2,000 box. Whatever's in my cart, that's what I buy. And I just got lucky with this one. First off, we got some low top 11 size 12 no box. Easy, always an easy move when it comes to stuff like this. Cool gray lows, these are dope. Size 11. Oh, size 12, I'm tripping. I wish there was a size 11. I would have probably cleaned them up and rocked them at least once or twice before I let them go. No box on those. You guys know how we get down. We're gonna get rid of the shoes with no box first. We got some Air Max 97s. We have the OG Silver Bullet 97s. This is a 2017 release. These are also a size 12. Check those out. These are not as in good condition as those 11s I just pulled out, but they still pretty solid. They look like they can use a good cleaning. Good little wipe me down. 97s are dope. I think I got a few pair of 97s on the for sale page right now. Well, at least I know I got one. I got a pair of undefeateds on there. Size 6Y. All right. Dope. We got the 4s here with the good old Nike Air on the back. Not dead stock, but check out the bottom. Look at all those stars. Size 6 is gonna be a little harder to move. I mean, compared to a 10.5 or something like that. But check those out, man. Christmas coming around. I'm just trying to get as many boxes as I can. Hopefully help one of you guys score a grail for yourself or a loved one for the holiday season. Size 6Y. Hopefully that light not blurring y'all out. Oh, let me see. The rest of these got boxes, man. And I'm looking at the inside of these. Man, $2,000 box. I kind of see why now, just by looking at the boxes that's in here. We got another Jordan 11. All right, we got the high tops. These are 7Y. So again, little feet heat. Hopefully go pretty quickly. These do have a little bit of a lot of separation actually right there. I'm not sure if it's picking up on it. So these would be a good one for someone. Yeah, these are coming apart. So unfortunately, these bad boys are coming apart. I'm glad I noticed that before. Even that carbon fibers coming off. This is an older pair, I can tell just from the box. This is from 2010. So these are a 10-year-old pair, a kid's pair. So yeah, those had some better days. But still in good shape. You just need some TLC. We got a Nike Dunk High Premium 11.5. have a picture of the shoe. These look like a notebook, the composite notebook you used to have in school. That's what these joints look like. I'm sure that's what that has. It has Nike book on the heel right here. I don't know much about these. These are some old dunks. Look at the bottoms though, still pretty clean. 11 and a half. These I don't know, could be worth something. Could be worth something, I don't know. They got a lot of details in them. They got a school bus on the inside of the insole. I'm gonna have to do my research on those. 11 and a half on those. We got 5 pair left, including these. We got some NMD runner PKs. So we got some runners, size 11 and a half. NMDs. Look like they come with this nice little Adidas bag. They seem to be in pretty good shape. Check out the bottom. Let me grab this other one out. These are pre-owned, but just going off the bottom, these are really good shape. I don't know the nickname of them. I'm sure they had one NMDs when they first hit the market, flying like crazy, and then they just got watered down. I actually like the aesthetics of NMDs. They just look horrible on my foot, so check those out. That's a better look. So you wondering, like $2,000, I ain't pulled out nothing worth this box being $2 grand. I'm gonna tell y'all now, the next 3 boxes are probably the reason why this box costs $2,000. These are human racers. You got the red pair. These are an 11 and a half. You guys know I've had these before. We got the human race. Don't know if these still go for anything or if they still have any hype behind them. They have the extra laces right here. I know a lot of people still love these shoes. This model, super comfortable. I had a personal pair not too long, well, about a year or 2 ago. I let mine go when I downsized the collection. Another human race in a size 11 and a half. We got the orange pair. Never had this one. This one just says human on the toe box. So check those out. These are 11 and a half also. Let me show y'all the bottom. These are in really good shape. Look how clean the bottoms are. These are very clean. I don't think these are dead stock. Are they dead stock? These really could pass for dead stock. If they are not, I'm gonna have to take a closer look off the camera. I don't know. I don't know if that's just from age, but looking at the bottom, I'm gonna say pre-owned, but these really do look DS. We got 2 pair left. I know for sure these. We got another human race. This is the black pair. I've seen this pair on so many other channels and I was like, dang, these are dope. Like, I like these when they first dropped. This was probably my favorite pair because I love the black and yellow together. It's just dope. These are 11 and a half also. I see why this box was $2 grand now, because the last 3 pair of shoes to the right person alone is around $450 to $550. I don't know what they're going for now, but I know they do go for a pretty penny. So we got 1 more pair left. It's an old Jordan box. We got a Jordan 4 retro. So supremacy. Oh my gosh. Now I see why this box was $2,000. Oh my gosh, bro. Now these are not dead stock, obviously. These will need a good little restoration job right here. If you're unfamiliar with these, man, these are Lightning 4s. This is a shoe I've never actually seen in person. Never had them in hand. Of course, everybody had the Thunder. These are dope. These are a size 12. These are dope. I don't know what they go for. I know a dead stock pair of a shoe of this caliber is over $2 grand. No idea what these will go for, especially needing that paint job. I might go ahead and get that done myself. Depends, man. Depends on what kind of deal I make the buyer. Obviously, I can't keep these. These are 12. These will probably be up on the for sale page and on my main page. Dope stuff like this, I'll post them up on my main page because these are just a gem to have. These are hard, man. Yellow 4s, these are dope. These are, oh my God. I'm glad this is not my size because I've even sold everything else and would have kept these. I don't know what the value of these are, but I am very happy with this box. I was low-key kind of worried until I started pulling out the NMDs, the human racers back to back to back like that. I was kind of worried, but they always pull through. So supremacy. This box might be difficult to move, so it could be my best box and my worst box because it's gonna be some slow moving stuff. Obviously, human racers, you got to find a person with the right kind of bag to buy that kind of stuff. So not saying that any of you guys that normally watch the channel can afford stuff like that, but you know, it's just a higher end shoe. So I'm pretty happy with it, man. $2,000 box. Very happy. Got a $1,200 video going up right after this one. Trying to find time to shoot these videos. Your boy got some time off work. Thank you God for that. Appreciate all the love and support you guys showed me on the videos. Let me know if you guys wanted me to do another video for the guess the shoe video like I did last time with the misses, and I might do that again. I ain't gotta run that back because I probably would have did good on this box because I would have knew all of those human racers, and I probably would have got those 4s. I would have got the 97s. Probably would have got those 11. I would have killed this box on guess the shoe, but unfortunately, I stunk it up on the last video with that. So it'll be a while before I can get back to doing something like that. But anyway, like I said, I got a $1,200 box coming too. Make sure y'all check that out. And if you need anything from this box, just DM me, email me, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, or follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE and TGOTSOLE for sale for the for sale page. If it's available, it is still posted on that page. If it's not posted on that page, more than likely I don't have it, but you can still hit me up anyway, and I'll just shoot you a yay or nay on that. And I think that's gonna wrap it up, man. I'm gonna try to get this other one done and out to y'all maybe today. So hopefully today. All right, I'm out. Peace.